Hello everyone, I am Sneha Chakraborty. I am from Shetanandam Joypuriya College. I am a student of BSc 5th semester Food and Nutrition Honours. It is the month of September, so we all know it is the special month for us. We all are celebrating National Nutrition Month 2022 like every year. So we all are joined in a joyful recipe contest arranged by our college. I am also a participant of this recipe contest. My recipe is Saudi Veg Biryani. Biryani is a dish which generally preferred by everybody in every occasion like birthday parties, family functions, get together. Everybody loves to eat biryani. If you want to make a delicious biryani at home like restaurant style, followed by some easy steps and use only one utensil, then please try my recipe and it's guaranteed it will be so delicious. So let's start my recipe, Saudi Veg Biryani. To make Saudi Veg Biryani, I have already boiled Basmati rice. By the measuring cup, I boiled 2 cups. Don't overcook the rice when it is boiled. Then take it out, keep it and spread it on dish like me. It is boiled soyachunks, 1 cup. Oil 1 cup. Chopped onion 1 piece. Paneer, fresh paneer, chopped. Chopped onion for gravy 1 piece. 1 piece carrot, chopped evenly. Beans chopped evenly. Paste of ginger garlic. Chopped tomato 1 piece. Yogurt. Coriander leaves. Food color. Kesher soaked in milk. Salt. Red chili powder, jeera powder, turmeric powder, mirch powder, coriander powder, biryani masala powder and Sai garam masala. At first, turn on flame, take a vessel, heat it and add oil 1 cup. Evenly heat it, then add chopped onion. It will be fry for brown onion till it turns brown. After frying, now kept it aside. In the remaining oil, now we fried paneer. It fried till it turns slight golden. After frying, now kept it aside. In this remaining oil, we make our veg biryani. Now add chopped onions and fried till it turns light golden. Add chopped carrots and chopped beans. Fried it properly. Cooked for 1 minute. After it cooked, add 2 spoons ginger garlic paste and mixed evenly.
Hope you guys liked it. If you are new in my channel, do subscribe, ring the bell icon to get notified.
Now add chopped tomatoes. Then we'll put salt and sugar because by this tomato will ripe quickly. Then mixed it for some time. Cover it and cook for 4 minutes in low medium. After that, turn off the flame. Then add 4 tablespoons yogurt. Mixed it properly. Add fried paneers and boiled chunks. And add brown onions and some coriander leaves. Now turn on the flame and mixed all the things properly. Now add jeera powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, biryani masala powder, turmeric powder, all are 1 tablespoon. Mix it now properly. Add some water if you want. Mixed all and cover it.
Hope you guys liked it. If you are new in my
After 5 minutes,
ring the bell icon to get
the veggies are prepared. Now the gravy is ready. Now turn off the flame. Now spread the boiled rice over the masalas. Spread the rice evenly. Now sprinkle some salt. Add browned onions on the top. Add coriander leaves on the top. Add some food color. It's optional, it has no taste. If you don't want, you can skip it. Now add kesher soaked in milk if it gives a good aroma in the biryani. Now add some garam masala powder and sprinkle it on the top. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. It is maintain the moisture of the biryani. Now cover the lid properly. Now we do not cook it direct flame, we cooked it by indirect flame. So now we use our tawa, turn on the flame, heat the tawa, then put it the biryani pot on it. Now we cooked for it 10 minutes in medium flame. By this process the flavor will mix the rice, then our biryani smelled heavenly.
liked it.
So now the biryani is ready to serve. At last you can serve this with yogurt and onion. So it's ready. Our 1 pot Saudi Veg Biryani. Try this biryani recipe. I am sure that you all like this recipe.